Okay, so welcome to the next step, which is required in order to connect to the copycat. You must join under this specific link. That is part of the deal. As far as joining the copycat, you have to join with our approved broker on this link. However, I'm about to show you how to do it, but just to let you know, if you're someone who gets stuck, like it's not hard, you're gonna see, but if you get stuck when you submit the form, just put I need help with this step, and then we'll get you some help either through your sponsor or through support. um, if you get to a point where you want to go ahead and submit the form and you've created your trading account but you haven't funded it yet, then you can go ahead and put no, but I will let my sponsor or support know when it's done. Or once again, if you need help with this step, but it's real easy to get it funded. So I'm about to go ahead and show you. So now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here and you're gonna go ahead and click on Join Our Approved Broker. It's going to take you to the Crucial Markets website, and you're going to simply click on Sign Up. When you click on Sign Up, you're going to fill out all the information, and then you're going to create the account. And when you create the account, it's going to tell you to verify your email address. Once you verify your email address, you should be able to go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you want to go to the top left corner and click on Accounts. And if you're on a phone, you're going to click on the plus sign at the bottom and click on New Account. When you click on New Accounts, you're going to click on Live. You're going to name your account whatever you want to name it. I'm just going to say Mike's Forex or PTFX. You can name it whatever you want to name it. Put your leverage on 500. Or if you want to use a lower leverage, 200, that's fine. But anywhere between 2 to 500, but most people put 500. Currency USD is already on Trade Locker Live, and you're simply just going to create an account. When you create an account, you're going to get an email. You're going to get an email, and what you're going to do is you're going to take a screenshot of the email and make sure it shows your live credentials. For the It's going to show your email address, and it's going to show the password that they gave you. That's so we can connect you to the copycat. Now, I just want to make sure you, just for security purposes, we don't give us your login to your Crucial Markets account. That is where you deposit and withdraw. We don't need that. The only thing we need is the email that they send you for the trade locker side so we can connect it to the trading account. I just want to be very clear about that. So nobody can deposit or withdraw into your account except you. We have no control of that. We're just connecting the trading side to the copycat. Just want to make that very clear. But yeah, so once you take a screenshot of your live credentials, then you're gonna come down here, right here where it says Browse Files, and you're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna simply just upload the file of the screenshot, right? And then once you got it uploaded, you're good to go as far as creating a live account. However, there's a couple of more steps to go. Okay, go back to the Crucial Markets back office, and you're gonna click on Deposit or Withdraw. And when you click on deposit or withdraw, you could do it with crypto or you could do it with card. Now, in order to do the copycat, you need to deposit at least $300. You could deposit 500, 1,000. You could deposit 10,000. It's totally up to you. Depending on the size of the account, is that would depend on the lot size we use, which means the more money in your account, the more money you could potentially make per trade. Now, with that being said, you can fund your account one or two ways. You could do crypto or you could do card. Now, if you do crypto, you just click on it, you pick your crypto, you follow the prompts, and you fund your account, right? However, you want to do, if you decide you'd rather just go ahead and do it with your debit or credit card, then click on card. Now, when you click on card, you'll notice that when you try to actually do it, it won't let you do it. Because when you want to do a card, you have to do the KYC first. So you click over here. Okay, so you see right here, you'll see KYC over here. And then you simply just go ahead and click on KYC and you follow the prompts. And then when you follow the prompts, and then it'll show complete. And then once you complete it, then you'll be able to go on here and go ahead and do the deposit with your card. And then once you got the deposit done, um, the next step is to do one last step, which will be the eternal transfer. So you're just gonna click in the top right corner where the money is deposited, and then you're gonna go ahead and just follow the prompts and do the eternal transfer. You just put in uh excuse me. You just put in you'll see the money in your wallet and you're simply just going to transfer it over to the trading account. Make sure it's not the bonus account. Make sure it's the live account that you created. Switch it over to that account number and then you're done. Once your account has been funded, the files have been uploaded here. Just go ahead and say, yes, I funded my account. Yes, I created the account. Any notes, anything you want to say to support, and then just go ahead and double check everything, and then go ahead and submit the form. When you submit the form, then you'll get an email response immediately, letting you know when you'll be connected to the copycat, which will be the next trading day. We'll confirm with you once it's actually connected, and then of course your sponsor will be reaching out to you, or whoever referred you, along with a message from support, welcoming you to the community. Thank you. God bless.